Hi City fam, welcome. Today I'm walking you through our full wig customization process step by step so you can achieve that perfect flawless finish every single time. Let's get into it. First things first, we need a clean base. Go ahead and remove any unwanted knots, dirt or old glue from the lace. Take your time here. See how clean that is? A clean lace means a flawless install. Now let's prep our bleach mixture. Mix your bleach powder and developer to your desired consistency. Not too thick, not too runny. You want a smooth, even blend so it applies evenly across the lace. Flip your wig over and apply the bleach mixture directly inside the lace. Work in gentle sections, making sure every knot is coated, and don't rush this step. Let the bleach do its magic. Once the bleaching process is complete, rinse the lace thoroughly with cool water until water runs completely clear. We don't want any product left behind. Pat dry and then blow dry your wig on a low heat setting until fully dry. Gently start working through the hair, applying your leave-in conditioner and toning products. We're bringing this wig to life. Silky, smooth, and absolutely gorgeous. Now let's style. Whether you're going for a sleek and straight or big bouncy curls or something in between, this wig is ready to transform. Work your style product through from root to tip for that extra shine and hold. And voila! Look at that. Stunning, silky, and completely customized. That's the Hair City difference. If you love this tutorial, drop a comment below, share it with your girls, and don't forget to shop in the link in the bio. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.